Hello, so I'm on the carburettor final assembly of these Keihin CV34 carbs off my Kawasaki 750, and I've just been reassembling all the diaphragms. I numbered them so that the same slide went in the same carb sleeve. And now I'm just putting in the little blanking discs that I got. They're like this thing here. I made them myself actually. This one came in the kit, but the rest of them I made myself. I explained in one of the videos how I did it. Just chopped a bit of rod, that's all. Alloy rod. And they have to be put in with a little bit of locking compound, that's what it suggests. Just some medium thread locker. Just in here. Just gently tap them home, should be fine. And then the caps on the carbs, the two outside ones are chromed, and then the two inner ones were just like galvanised, but I've just painted them up with some engine enamel, just try and make them look a bit smarter. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll try and show you the picture when it's all done. Just one thing to say was I sent these off to a mail. These off to a mail order chroming place, and they haven't done a very good job. If you can see just here, just there, the finish is really poor. I'm not sure if it's going to let air in. I hope I should seal okay, but I'm just a bit concerned about that poor finish there. But anyway, we'll see how we go.